Hello guys. The other day I took on a very daunting task. I actually tried cutting my hair to give myself bangs. So I drew hair inspiration first from a popular type of bang in South Korea, often referred to as air bangs or see-through bangs, and these are bangs that are wispy in the front with some small pieces on the side that gradually get longer. The exact style of bangs that I was going for was a mix of these see-through or air bangs with a bit more of a curtain bang look. The tutorial that I followed was extremely easy. I seriously think that if you have never even used scissors in your life, you will be able to cut your hair with this tutorial. It is incredibly easy to follow. So let's get started. So I found this tutorial online. I will link it below. The title is in Korean. However, there is a bit of English at the end, which says how to cut bangs Korean style. Also, the video is in Korean, but she provided subtitles in English, so I was able to easily follow along. So the first step, part your hair evenly down the middle and create a section in the front that's sort of like a wide and like short triangle. If you want more hair, extend it out further down like the middle of your hair. I was afraid of messing up, so the section of hair that I grabbed was wide because I do want that curtain bang look, but it was a short section compared to the section that the girl used in the video. Just because if I messed up, I just didn't want to, cut like a humongous chunk of messed up bangs on my hair. So first, you are going to create an even smaller triangle in the front, in the middle of the section. So you can pin back the other parts of the bangs, and you're only going to work with the very small triangle in the front. And you want to bring those pieces down to your nose and cut that section of hair right up to your nose. And then you want the scissors to stand straight up, so you're not cutting it bluntly, but you're adding just a little bit of texture so it doesn't look so choppy. I think my scissors were at an angle, but basically you just don't want your scissors to be perfectly horizontal. Then you're gonna gather your hair into a wider triangle. So just like make a wider triangle of the bangs from the section of the bangs that you cut out, and then you're just going to bring those down to your mouth. You're gonna do the same thing that you did with the first section, and you're just going to cut that section of hair down to your mouth. After you've done that, you're gonna grab the rest of your hair and you're gonna bring it down to your chin and just cut there. Now you have like 3 pretty choppy pieces of hair, and then you're gonna take one of the sides of the bangs and hold them between your pointer finger and your middle finger, and then you just wanna like blend them together. It's kind of hard to describe. Basically what you're gonna do is put that section of hair in between your pointer and your middle finger, and then you're gonna take your scissors, and you are not going to do like a full cut. You're just going to very quickly open and close the scissors, not fully, but just like a little tiny bit, but do it quickly. So just try to make them all blend together so that they don't look so choppy. Am I explaining this correctly? I think it's just like easier to understand when you watch me do it in this video, but basically just like don't close your scissors all the way and just very, very quickly, cut the ends of your hair so that those 3 chunks blend together as much as possible. So that's it for the hair cutting aspect of the tutorial. You can also like go back and make some adjustments if you want to make pieces shorter. I made some of the pieces in the front a little bit shorter. I also took some pieces further from the sides and I just angled them a little bit just so that the bangs blended a little bit better. I don't know if my hair is just like extremely long for having bangs or what, but I feel like they don't really blend perfectly as much as they should, but that's like my only complaint about my haircutting job. But now we are going to move on to the bang styling aspect. First, I curled the front pieces towards me, so going like inwards, and I put them in a Velcro roller. And then I curled the pieces on the side away from my face, and I put those in smaller Velcro rollers. I took the rollers out after 20 minutes. I feel like for this being the first time that I have ever tried to cut bangs, they came out pretty good. The tutorial was extremely easy and quick, and I think these bangs are gonna look really cute with my hair up in a ponytail or a bun. I think I could have blended the sides a little bit better and maybe cut some pieces in the middle, like in the front, a little bit shorter so that I could have more of that see-through bang look. But other than that, I think that they look great. If you end up trying out this tutorial, please let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.